Today we will see what happens to rainfall at rural area. When rainfall occurs, some of the water is lost due to the evaporation. Some of the water goes down due to absorption and percolation. This process of adding water to underground storage is called natural groundwater recharge. Some of the portion of water is taken up by vegetation. Some of the water is stored in a depression or pits in that area in the form of a lake or pond. Rest of the water flows down along the natural slope of a land and ultimately goes to the sea through surface streams. So here we must try to collect as much as water needed for us, either in a surface reservoir or subsurface reservoir, or across the bunds created in a stream or nala.